Cambridge United's absolute football sensation, Elias, is in with his two vehicles to add that customization. Hopefully you guys are enjoying today's video so far. Here we have Elias's, the Cambridge United football star, his two vehicles, the Tesla Model 3 and the BMW X5. What he was after was adding that element of customization to his vehicles, and that's exactly what's been done and what you've seen in today's video so far. Both vehicles have been equipped with a window tint on different areas of the car, protecting it and getting it also looking exactly how Elias wanted his cars to look, giving them absolutely awesome styling difference, but also actually protecting the people inside, because not only is the actual film itself really important in terms of the look of the car and changing that kind of overall aesthetics, but also it does really work in terms of protecting against UV rays for people inside the vehicle. Especially on the Model 3, there's a lot of glass on here. Having that window tint makes a massive difference, but looks absolutely fantastic. Both cars are absolutely awesome, and now it is time to Elias to come collect his cars and join our wall of fame up with some absolute awesome celebrities and YouTube sensations. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video. It's a little bit of a short one. We just wanted to showcase the two incredible cars and also document the entire process of today's install. So thank you very much, and if you're interested yourself to getting your car customized by ourselves, you know exactly what to do. All the details in the description below.